Planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Earth. Moon. Year discoverer, distance from planet is 384,400. Diameter 3476 and orbit period days 27.322. Next is Mars. Mars is have 2 moons. Deimos. Year discovered 1877. Discoverer Paul. Distance from planet is 23,460. Diameter 8. Orbit period is 1.263. Phobos. Year discovered 1877. Discoverer Paul. Distance from planet is 9,270. And diameter is 28 times 20. Orbit period or days is 0.319. Jupiter. Callisto. Year discovered is 1610. Discoverer Galileo. Distance from planet is 1,883,000. And diameter 4,800. Orbit period days is 16.689. Europa. Year discovered is 1,610. Discoverer is Galileo. Distance from planet is 670,900. Diameter 3,126 and orbit period days is 3.551. Next is Io. Year discovered is 1,610 and discoverer is Galileo. And distance from planet is 421,600. And diameter is 3,629 and orbit period days is 1.7969. Io is the innermost of the 4 Galilean moons of the planet Jupiter and with a diameter of 3,642 kilometers, and the 4th largest moon in the solar system is Io. Next is Saturn. Atlas. Year discovered is 1,980. Discoverer is Ptolemy. Distance from planet is 137,640 and the diameter 37 times 27 and the orbit period days of Atlas is 0.602. Next is Calypso. Year discovered is 1,980 years and discoverer is Smith. Distance from planet of Calypso is 294,660. Diameter is 38 times 16. Orbit period days of Calypso is 1.888. Next is Enceladus. Year discovered is 1789. Discovered by Herschel. Distance from planet is 238.20. And diameter is 498. Orbit periods is 1,370. Planet Uranus. And Ariel. Year discovered is 1851. Discovered by Lassell. And distance from the planet is 100,091.240. And diameter is 1,160 and orbit period days is 2.520. Miranda. Year discovered since 1948. Discovered by Cooper. Distance from planet is 129,780 and diameter 472 and orbit Samuel. Year discovered 2003 and discovered